Hi everyone, I am Masaki Ono, a senior patent attorney belonging to the Trademark division of Fukami Patent Office in Japan. Today, I'd like to present the seventh of mini lectures on the Japanese trademark practice. Specifically, I will very briefly answer three additional frequently asked questions about Japanese trademark applications. Now let's go. Question number 10. How long does it usually take an application to be examined? The answer is, as of 2025, it usually takes about 5 to 10 months before an application is examined, and a notice of allowance or an office action is issued. If you file a request for accelerated examination and it is granted, the examination period will be shortened to about 1 to 2 months. Question number 11. How can I record the change of the applicant's name address for my applications? The answer is by filing a request for the name address change for your ID number. If such request is accepted, the recorder of the name address change will be effective for all your pending patent, utility model, design, trademark applications filed under your ID number. Incidentally, as to the change of the restaurant's name address for your restorations, you must file a request for the recorder for each restoration. Question number 12. What tendency do you see in the recent examination of applications? The answer is, one tendency is that the examination of distinctiveness from marks is getting stricter and stricter. Until a few years ago, even if a mark was somewhat descriptive of the designated goods services, such mark was often held to be distinctive as long as it was not commonly used in the Japanese market. Recently, however, it is not rare that such somewhat descriptive mark is held to be indistinctive, even if the mark is not commonly used. Thank you so much for your kind attention. Please contact me anytime if you have any questions or requests about the themes of future lectures, or I can be of assistance. As I asked in the previous lectures, please call me Masaki, Nicholas, or Freddy as you like. See you next time.